Say good morning, Brendan. We are eating cereal things. Puffs. Yes. Oh, hi. Hello. Yeah. See my new teeth? Ah. Yeah, we see your new teeth. Yep, we see them. And then, we don't eat too many at once. You also have your sippy cup, which is more likely to end up on the floor than in your mouth. Ah. Cute little feet you're kicking around. Uh-oh. Ice can go everywhere. This. Say good morning, Brendan. Yeah, you're pretty cute. I know you can do it, but it's fun to feed you. Like this. Oh. Huh. That's so fun to put on the floor. What are you doing? Did you put cereal on the floor? Yeah. Is that your food? Good job. You're pretty cute. Hi, kitty cat. Hi. Yeah, those pull stones taste so good, do they? Oh. Okay, Mom will quit. Those are going on the floor. Ta-da! Are we going down? Sit on that cereal. Yeah. Little wild animals. Little wild animals. And he's off. Bye, Brendan. Thanks for having breakfast. What are you doing? Please, Mom. May I have some more? Aww. Okay, we'll get you some more, sweetheart. Hi, Mr. Man. How's second breakfast going for you? Bye-bye, Spoon. Yeah? Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'll get it. Here you go. There you go. Yeah? How's that spoon treating you? Want some of this? No? Mama. No, no food. Okay. But we like the spoon game. Yeah. Can you say bye-bye, Spoon? Bye-bye. You're pretty cute. You want to show everybody how many teeth you have? Say, I'm 11 months old and I have 8 teeth. Yay! Good job. Oh, you gotta push it a little harder, sweetie. As you grow, we have to raise the childproofing. What are you doing? Can you say, darn this stuffy nose? Huh? What you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Aha! Music time. Uh-oh. We're going out the door. What are you doing? Can you say hi, baby? Baby, hi. Look at all those teeth. Okay, baby. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh, Mommy's gonna get my nose with a Kleenex. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing?
My body's doing long returns.
Hi, Brandon. Are you pushing the table? To here, then we can see you. Good morning. Hi. Are you crunching those teeth? I hear that, Kit Kat. Brennan, Brennan. Hey, Brennan, Brennan. There we go. There they are. There's those teeth. What are you doing? Crawling around the table. I see that. Might go head first, you go that way. See, it's alright, Ma. I got it. I got it. Okay, Brendan. Say bye-bye.